Hello friends, how are you? Welcome back to my channel, Therichpost. Myself Ajay and I hope you are doing great. So guys, in this working video, I'm going to show you the beautiful real estate template in Angular 20 and fully responsive are totally free of cost. So friends, before showing you working demo and code, I must say please watch the video till the end and please subscribe my channel for latest updates. So friends, here we go. So first, let me show you the Angular version as well. Let me show you 20.045, so it's latest version as well. See, guys, the beautiful real estate template Angular 20. See, fully responsive, totally free. Scroll to top. See, guys, the beautiful top bar, beautiful top nav, top section with beautiful contest and beautiful image as well. About the section, see, guys, see, services, buy a home, rent a home, sell a home as well. Feature listing, see, guys. This is a feature listing as well with image, pricing, description, little description, title, and other stat like bedrooms, bathrooms, square feet. See our building. And it is, see guys, yes building. See the hover effect, best beautiful. The block section, see, looking for dream home and beautiful footer section as well. Now friends, it's fully responsive. Let me show you, see guys, fully responsive e-commerce real estate template as well. We work for all the devices. So guys see full responsive template and guys like always I will share the code snippet link inside this video description and friends if you will have any kind of queries suggestion or requirement then feel free to comment on this video. Also please contact me via my blog. This is the blog therichpost.com. Here is contact us page. In this page, you will get my email ID and my WhatsApp number as well. And guys, I am full-time freelancer. You can hire me on hourly basis as well. And guys, also on my blog, you will get multiple free things like Angular 20 course snippet, e-commerce template, admin dashboard, and thousands of admin dashboard free of cost. All see guys, and Booster 5 as well. Multiple stuff like Booster 5 e-commerce template, admin dashboard, and other landing pages. So guys, this is it for today and friends in the end I must say please subscribe my channel, please support me and also thank you for watching this video. Thank you, have a nice day, take care, bye bye.